Make a great choice today with the 2018 Q5. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, refrigerated storage, audio digital sound processing, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot. Your new ride is just a phone call away.